In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute egg maracas. They only take a few seconds to make and you can just use some things you have kind of laying around. So let's get started. To make your egg maracas, all you're going to need are some plastic eggs. You may have some of these left over from the springtime. And we're going to be using some washi tape to tape them shut to keep everything inside. Now, if you don't have washi tape, this is just a paper tape that you can find in the craft store. It comes in different designs and patterns. You could also use some masking tape or some painter's tape like that blue or green tape. Or you could use some of that like gift wrap tape, clear tape. Whatever you have is totally fine. I'm going to be using some beads. I have this big jar of kind of like miscellaneous beads. These are all plastic beads. You could use some wood beads. As an alternative, you could also use some dry rice or dried beans or something like that. But just be mindful if you're using food items, be mindful where you store them so nothing can kind of get into them. And then a pair of scissors. So all you're going to do is take one of your eggs and you're going to just drop a couple pinches of your beads in there. It doesn't matter. This one's like a letter bead, doesn't matter. And close them up. Now, the less full you make them, the noisier they are. And if you fill them up really full, they're not going to move around as much. So they're going to be kind of less noisy. See how the sound changes? This could also be a fun activity where you fill them up different ways, maybe least full to most full, and make different sounds with them. So I like to do a couple of pinches though, and that makes them the noisiest. So just do that, fill them up. I just kind of threw a few in the bottom. And then take your tape. I'm going to use this sparkly gold tape that I have here. And all we're going to do is just tape it around this seam, okay? And I like to go once around there. You can go twice if you want it to hold extra well. And then washi tape, you can just tear pretty cleanly. You can use your scissors if your tape's not taping very well. And then just kind of like tape that down, get the sides nice and secure. And once your egg is all taped closed, it's ready to go. Try making them with other colors, other amounts of beads, and you can have a whole symphony of them.